Oh, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anywhere una dey watch me, I dey greet you now. I dey twirl for una. Welcome to United TV show. I beg my people, if today na your first time, I beg make you no fail to subscribe and make you hit that Congo bell for your notification. Gist day. Ghana market people is complaining that Nigeria have taken over the market for them. Oh, you see, because Ghana is very good now, Nigeria have taken over it. But when Ghana was not growing, there would not, these few Nigeria is there. But now Nigeria have taken over Ghana market, and the market people that are complaining a lot. They say some of them, they will come to Ghana be doing bad things there, while some that are doing good things there. Kudos to them, they try in that area. And they said Nigeria, there also a lot in Ghana. I love that, because Nigeria, we are hustler. You see, because Nigeria is not good, that's why everybody is leaving that country. Everybody in Nigeria is leaving that country, going to Ghana to invest, to do one thing or the other. Ghana is growing day by day. Ghana is good now, my people. If you're in Nigeria living in Ghana, you need to watch this video to the end so that you can see what Ghana market people is talking about you guys, so that if you are among of the people that is making that country not to be good, making people feel bad in that country, which is Ghana, stop doing bad things in Ghana, because now Ghana is very good, because their president, senator, governor, they are really trying in that country, Ghana, because Ghana is a good place now. If you guys want your country to be like that, you guys should vote for a good president, senator in your own country.
Actually, Nigerians in the country has especially made the renting cycle very high. Let's say when you are ready to pay for a rent, a Nigerian can come to the landlord or the landlady to offer a higher price. You understand? Because I've been a victim before. When I was purchasing my rent, when I was purchasing my the shop that I'm in now, I was supposed to offer the amount that I'm supposed to offer. A Nigerian came, tried to offer a higher amount so that I will not get the shop, because it's in a good location. Seriously, what these guys are doing here, it's not helping. Trust us, it's not helping, because what we know is we, the youth in this country, are trying to make it. We are trying to, do something for our lives. But these Nigerians has come, trying to block so many chances for us. And they are part of the theft issues, the stealing issues in the country now. Circle, the bad name that Circle has now, most this issue came from Nigerians.
In Nigerian, we are like family. It's good that we have them in our country, because some of our people too are in their country. But the way that they are coming to Ghana for now is too much. It's too much, and they have capitalized our businesses and other stuff. And then so the way that they have come to the country is too much. If something can be done about it, it will be good, because the number is too much. Day in and day out, they keep on coming. Especially those that are here, when they get one shop, then they go and bring about 2-3 siblings of theirs and other stuff. And in fact, they are occupying all parts of Accra and other regions as well.
For Nigerians to join Ghanaians or being with us here, we are not safe due to the recent increase in armed robbery, which most of them are involved. I think as a country like Ghana, living with such criminals, we are not safe. So we have to up our security system so that we can also bring them down. And on the other side, I could say we are also benefiting from them, because we have a business partnership with them. Most of the goods we sell here are directly from Nigeria, which we cannot get on the Ghana market or from our manufacturers.
Okay, their increase in the country is affecting us, because it seems like some of the Ghanaians are not working. They don't have anything to do, but the Nigerians have gotten the opportunity to purchased some kind of stores and other businesses, and they are running the business around. So it seems like the Ghanaians are in the house and they are rather doing the business for Ghanaians. So it seems it's affecting us. It's giving some of us there, we have this unemployment and other stuff. So
most of them, they come with businesses and we like it. And most of them they come to do criminal things. And you know, it's one snake that made most people to hate all snakes, you understand? So anyway, most of them bring businesses
of it, you understand? Because any place you go to, you find good people and you also find bad people. Is that if you see any Nigerians that is not good, you have to discipline that Nigerian and send him back to his country. So but you know, with the Nigerians, we are here, we are hardworking people, and it's causing confusion in the labor market when they see us working, because the Ghanaians actually, like, to be precise, they don't want to work. Even when they have the chances to work, they don't want to work. But you see the Nigerian man, he can take any small thing for a work, and we see at the end of it, we see him start making money before you look at it, just like. So that's what I would say, because what the country like is facing now is not, Nigeria should be out of it. We are not the predicament, you understand? We are just hustlers. But I think that the people that are offended, like the way we are working, we are hard working, you understand? So that's what I see inside. If you see any Nigerians that is bad here, you have to discipline that Nigerian and send him back. That's what I would say, you understand?
okay, thank you.
Yeah.
What some Ghana is talking about, that complaining about. If you are watching this video, you have a sister or a brother in Ghana, please send this video to them to watch. It's very good now. And if you're in Ghana, what do you think about this video? What do you think? Is it good as Nigeria have taken over your market for
Nigerians that this fraud and some of the things like all these how to do dreads, all these things. They say it's only Nigerians that did that. And so if you tell them, like if you came here to come and do something, they will tell you because of your country is not good, because of the one from that place, so come here. Here is a peaceful country. Because of it they come here. Ghana, they don't have any problem. It's we that cause all the problem in Ghana.
Ghana do like this, Nigeria do like this. We all need to be friends and we are one blood. So all the Ghanaians and the Nigerians, we are one. So I shouldn't know why there are issues coming over Nigeria and Ghanaians. And perhaps some Ghanaians, probably when you do anything or anything wrong, whether good or right, they will tell you that.
We are not ignorant about the fact that yes, there are some bad eggs within the society. We're not just impressed about it. So we're also trying to implore the government of the day in Ghana to also apply the laws as it is required, irrespective of whose house is God. We don't care whether the Nigerian, because of the relationship with us, you think maybe he should be spared. The law is a law, and it's a respect of no persons. So apply it. And it's not something that we're going to say yes because it's a Nigerian and because we have a relationship with Ghana. So we should treat that person with a pinch of salt. No. We are ready to support the government of the day to say, look, root out those who are making society very uncomfortable for all of us to live.
What is the society doing in its own capacity to address some of these issues that come with tagging of some of your nationals?
As a matter of fact, the Nigerian government is doing a lot through the diaspora organization and through other organs of society or Nigerian associations in Ghana, where we have asked that no association and no one person should condone evil being perpetrated by a Nigerian. There is no way you can deal with a criminal and cover him up and say that, look, he is not a criminal. If he is, Let the law test its course. Let it be said that no Nigerian is being shaded by any association or by the Nigerian government. We've not been trained that way. We've not been told to do that. So we are not just trying to say Nigerians. No, what we are saying that individualistic. Just deal with them.
Okay.
Don't. You see, the problem is that the moment you keep on saying it is Nigerians. That's where we get it wrong, because 70% or 80% of Nigerians here.
ACP Eklu, thank you very much.
In terms of the statistics, we don't have those records as I speak now, but I can say that there is quite a sizable number of Nigerians, of brothers and sisters from Nigeria present in Ghana. And this is not the first time. They have been here all over the years, and I would say that they have been part and parcel of our community, just like Ghanaians have also lived in Nigeria.
But we should have an idea how many of them we have in this country, don't we?
I don't have those figures on top of my head now, presently here.
Okay, but it's information that's available to the Ghana police.
It is possible we can get that information, yes.
Well, someone will be
especially those who came through those who came through the correct routes, those who came and have registered to do business, have resident permits, and have come here under. For example, I've heard him talk about the Nigerian Association in Ghana. Yes, I think we can work through those structures and be able to get a fair idea about how many Nigerians are in Ghana.
Those who are raising concerns about the presence of Nigerians and the linkage it has with the upsurge in criminal activity, are they justified?
I don't see it that way, because for us, criminals are human beings who are falling foul of the law and have no respect for the law as far as the laws are concerned, and we treat them as such. But it's also a fact that we have had some people from Nigeria and other countries, even beyond Africa, who have also committed crimes in Ghana, and they have also fallen, come in conflict with the law, and they are dealt with according to the laws as we have in Ghana. And in addition to that, it's also important, Matilda, to show that yes, we also have Ghanaians who have collaborated with the criminals from Nigeria to commit this crime. So it cuts both ways. We cannot single out one particular nationality to say that these are the people who have committed a crime. In years past, when we did the analysis, for every crime committed by an outsider, there's always a Ghanaian collaborator. There's always somebody from Ghana here who is giving them the backing, who is giving them the safe haven, and who is supporting them. So it is not a distinct thing that this particular nationality is involved in crime. But the fact that, yes, we have people from across the South region and even beyond Africa also committing crimes in Ghana is real.
Well, having said that, you said that the Nigerians have been in this country for many years now. That is known. I mean, Ghana and Nigeria has a very long-standing history. But if you look at recent trends, if you look at recent trends of criminal activity, I mean, a wanted criminal in Nigeria was found somewhere here, his family, and he had family here in Ghana. Well, would you say that there's, if you look at the statistics and do the analysis of what we've seen, criminal activities we've seen over the years, Nigerians are quite prominent in it. We look at, for example, Kwabena, we see the Nigerian influence there. Like I told you, the Nigerian whose family had Ghanaian passports, etc., he was picked up around Spintex. That's also a case in reference. What did you say that if you compare what's happening now and what happened before, Nigerians or persons with Nigerian names or what's suspected to be Nigerian names are gaining some prominence in this track record?
As I said, let us be very careful in assigning nationalities to criminals. They have specific names and profile that we deal with. And you rightly said that, yeah, there might be people who are from other